Come with me to feed the stray cats. We just had a couple of nice sunny days, which definitely helped with my mental health, but now we're back to super humid, rainy, and just gloomy weather. I have extreme weather sensitivity, so I really hate this weather. But I still gotta go out and feed my colony.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I couldn't find yesterday's kittens. They were probably hiding from the rain. And I'm starting to suspect they might be Buttercup's babies. Now that I think about it, she actually isn't spayed, so maybe they're hers. I'll keep checking on the kittens and try to get closer when I can.
Roxy. Casper.
Despite the rain, most of the cats were there today, and I actually ran into Ghost, and I haven't seen them in a while, so it was a nice surprise.
Ghost.